Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to measure blood oxygen on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Let's get started. So, as a first step, swipe up on your watch to see the apps and scroll down until you will find this app which is named SpO2. Then click on it, and here we would need to click on this button Measure, and after 3 seconds, the measuring will start. You also need to make sure that the band is snagged on your wrist tightly, but not too tight and not too loose. And now we just need to wait until the measuring will be done. And this is it. You can see the result, which is 96%, and this is kind of good result because when your blood oxygen drops lower than 90, then it's a problem. Now we can click Got It, and you can also see your stats by the blood oxygen. And also in the Mi Fitness application, you'll be able to see more details. And this is it. Now you know how to measure blood oxygen on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Thank you for watching.